What up, witches? Welcome back to my channel. What up, witches? Wands at the ready because my wardrobe needs to be scourgified. I'm currently working on majorly decluttering the areas of my home I inhabit the most so I can have a fresh start for the new year. I find that having a tidy space really provides me with a good workflow and decreases my stress levels, which I need after 2020. Come join me. Before we dive in, during Vlogmas, I recently did a major transfiguration or makeover for you muggles of my pantry. My friend Ashlei is actually going to be making over her pantry on her channel today. She has created a number of home decor videos to inspire you on what you could do with your home, and her house is just beautiful. What I love most about her videos is that you can genuinely feel that she has so much passion for decorating. She's also a mama of two, so you can expect to find lifestyle and motherhood content on her channel. Go check her out, guys. I know that you will just love her. I'm Carolyn. It's very nice to meet your digital acquaintance. Here on my channel, I love to create organization and cleaning videos. I love doing room transformations, anything home decor, anything DIY, and I also just really love Harry Potter. If you also enjoy those things, please hit the subscribe button to join our online family of wizard DIYers. First of all, I have a ton of laundry, and you cannot start off the new year with no clothes. You cannot start off the new year naked. So of course, I need to do laundry. I have been looking at my closet lately, and I really think I need to reorganize and declutter. Like, I'll declutter a lot, like KonMari declutter. We're gonna take some donations to the Dropbox today. First, I have a Target drive up order that I need to pick up. I purchased a closet organizer. It's a hanging shelf type thing. I have one of them in the closet. I'll go show you it right now. Closer to this one, but it's not as long. That way I still have space to put stuff underneath it. I've started to declutter a little bit, as you can see from that corner. I used to keep all my jackets and sweaters right there, but honestly I felt like it was a better idea to put my dresses right here and then move this shoe organizer over here and put my laundry baskets over there. That way it's hidden and it's not, well, it's not ugly and you don't look at it all the time. So I just have 2 bags right now of donations to garbage bags. I think I'm gonna have more, but I've had this one sitting for a while and I filled this one halfway today, and I don't want to risk me forgetting or getting lazy to go take it to the donation box, so I'm just gonna go drop it off now. Something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. So I am back home now, and did you really think I was gonna leave the house and not get a coffee? You are mistaken. I think I'm going to start with this basket of laundry since it's all clean. I'm gonna sort through it, see if I want to keep everything or if I want to donate some things, even though I just did a drop off. But hey, at least we got some of it out of here. He does this all the time, by the way. Kylo, can you play on the floor with sister, please? Hey, little monkey. Chill. Thank you. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Alright, here's the fabric hanging organizer that I picked up in my Target drive-up pickup earlier. It's like the one I showed you on Michael's side of the closet, but it is shorter. That way I can still fit things underneath it. I got 2 of them, and I think all the organizational items and the storage items are on sale because it is after Christmas. I'm gonna have to sort through that laundry right there so I can get it going in the washer and then figure out how exactly I'm gonna organize my clothes so that it looks more aesthetically pleasing, because that is the goal.
Gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Right, laundry sorted. I'm gonna check to see if the dryer's done so I can put a load in, and then we'll get to work on the top. So I take out all the shoes from this organizer so I can safely take it down so that I can get this new organizer in here. First, just 1, then I move the dresses and put 2 up, then I go back to just 1 and tuck the other in the back. I'm so super indecisive with my organization, so I always switch things around. Alright, so this is what I have done so far. Isn't it so much cleaner? So I put all my dresses here, and right here I have some dresses and some skirts that I don't wear too often because, you know, we're in a pandemic. We're all wearing loungewear. We're all wearing pajamas. Ain't nobody going nowhere. I keep the things that I'm not really wearing folded because, you know, it's just a pain in the butt to have to fold things over it again. It's much quicker to hang them up. I don't need the stronger white hangers for heavier clothing, so I can finally have all the same hangers, which I'm thrilled about.
Imagine it would be, we're not the first, we're not the last. While others may be restless too, we were always far ahead, me and you. And it's obvious now, finally, I know.
After hanging up what clean shirts and sweaters I had at the time, I went and moved the shoe rack so I could tuck my laundry baskets into the side and out of sight. Then I just sorted through the random bins that I had on the top shelf. So I just want to give you guys an update. This is my side. I have most of my clothes here. Actually, I have 2 more loads of laundry to do, but 1 is pajamas and it's going to be going in the dresser. Should have everything up tomorrow. And then I love how this looks. I love that I can put my laundry basket in the corner now. And the shoes are here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the top. It's very awkward. I did get rid of a lot of stuff up there, but I don't know. I don't know. This is definitely going to continue on to tomorrow because it's already like 11 o'clock at night. And over here is a bunch of donations. Crazy, I know, crazy. Hey guys, it is a new day and I am finally done with all my laundry. I have all of my donations together. I put the first 4 bags that I showed you in the car. I'm working on a 5th one right now. I have Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban going on. Now I'm going to sort my socks.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear?
Dobby would be so happy to have all these mix match socks.
This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a...
Alright, here is the final look. Normally I would not show you my underwear, but since it's so neat and organized, voila, here is my bras. Next up, a lot of folding.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. This stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed.
Just like in my office declutter video, I actually store all my clothes the same way, KonMari style. I find that it is the most functional and aesthetically pleasing way to store my clothes. Alright, last thing on the wardrobe mission list. What the heck am I doing with the top shelf in the closet? First, I measured the shelf, then I went on Amazon and ordered enough storage boxes to fill the entire shelf. This looks so aesthetically pleasing and gives us a ton of storage.
Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna...
Okay, just a few adjustments and it's time for the before and after.
It's difficult dealing with emotions, but I want you to know that you'll always be on my mind, even in the hard times. I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more.
Initially, I hung up all my clothes by sleeve length, but recently I decided to color coordinate my clothes and I am kind of loving it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer the first way I showed you, which was by sleeve length, or do you prefer this way, which is by color? Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And hit that subscribe button for more videos. Also, check out Ashlei's channel. I know that you guys will enjoy her pantry makeover. See you next time, witches. Bye.
Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what you said.